We've made it to our destination. The snow's looking pretty good. Sleds are ready to go. We got a kitty cat this trip. We're back at our old spot. This is awesome. We used to tear this place up. This is where Mike on his blue free ride got roosted by Mitch. Ooh. Whoa! Got a little rowdy there, eh? And hot. We got Faja, lucky Faja here. He's got a 951 win.
Monopoly game. Remember, it's always a Monopoly.
First time playing Monopoly?
First time.
Figures.
Not bad. Walking out of here a winner.
No matter
I'm
what.
taking my troll ass with me back downstate.
You can put a...
Climb, bitch, climb. Climb, look. The action's over here. Look at that.
That's it. That's a decent win.
America.
Yeah.
You have to do a pinky spin. 5 times. What happened here?
Put the wheel.
You got this. Oh, jackpot. Yeah. You got 10. You got 20.
We got our ride pulling up. It's midnight. We're at Christmas Casino leaving. Boys are still here. We're still getting film. Snowing out. Got a fresh inch or two. Snow's looking good. Everyone's riding really well now. I mean, Faja's side hilling right now. Come on! Ah!
Not a frickin' wall again.
I'm missing another lug.
Oh.
Maybe not. Dang, I can tip this way. Yeah, should we try that way now?
Yeah.
We got knee-deep powder, dude. For sure. What do we got here?
I might cut that fucking tree.
Yeah, I might have to cut this one.
Fuck yeah.
He almost hit a tree. We got stuck number 1 with Faja. James tried going up big hill over there. You got out.
Yeah, it took me super long to get this. Gas was kind of leaking out. I was like, oh.
Everything looks good. Everything's fucked up.
One thing I like about Polaris is they're light. Oh! Oh! Nice fail though. Oh my God, he's such a natural. Trip's over, boondock peelers are here. We're leaving the dog patch. It's a hell of a trip.
Yeah, good one.